Hi, my name is Mustapha Kagee. I'm 19 years old from Cape Town. I come from a family of mechanics, and to me, I always wanted to become a mechanic, although the idea of becoming an aviation mechanic was pretty awesome. A year ago, I met Fatima Jakut at a career day, and she is the founder of the Saki Kamba Foundation, and she at the time was the first Muslim pilot in South Africa. She has changed my life as she has arranged for me to join the Saki Kamba Foundation and has granted me an internship with the leading drone training company. I currently work as a dispatch for the commercial operating side of UAV Industries, Cape Town. I assist with planning of missions, aircraft registrations, any legal issues, and general odds and ends. Over the past 10 months, I've learned so much in such a limited period. I've learned that aviation is a world on its own. It taught me to look at life in a different way, always mitigating risks and hazards even in our daily lives. I've come to understand that planning is of utmost importance and to always abide by the first rule, safety. My long-term plan is to become a manned pilot, as I'm currently studying for my PPL. If I get it right, I would like to become an aviation mechanic. I would like to thank Fatima Jakut from Saki Kamba and UAV Industries for granting me this opportunity to giving me a head start in my aviation career. Coming out from school not knowing anything to what I know now has really narrowed the gap.